Hi, hello, my name is Harold van der Veken. I'm a technical sales consultant working for AXS Guard, and today I want to show you our content scanning solutions. Let's have a look at some slides first. If you read the news, then you will definitely have noticed that the cybersecurity threats have increased in the past year. In this article on Google Safe Browsing, it states that daily 9,500 new malicious websites are discovered. In a few words, what is phishing? An attacker will send an email to his victim. Not to alarm the victim, he will use a spoofed email address. And in the email address there is a link that does not look suspicious at first, but when the user clicks the link, he is redirected to a phishing website, where his credentials will be stolen, and the attacker is now ready to use these credentials on the real site and steal the victim's money. The problem with detecting this kind of threats is that they are what is called zero-day attacks. These are attacks that are new and that are not yet recognized by the traditional virus detection engines. Nearly 1 out of 3 attacks are now zero-day attacks, and most of these attacks are done through email. What is AXS Guard content scanning? It is both mail and web content scanning. With web content scanning, we will use a proxy to do access filtering, URL filtering, and content scanning using antivirus and anti-phishing. With email content scanning, we do anti-relay checking and the various security checks like halo checks, check for MTA, IP address, bad header, blacklist, whitelist, graylist, anti-spoofing, SPF check, etc. We can block mails having attachments with specific extensions, and we can check the attachment for malware, and we can filter spam. Google Safe Browsing will detect phishing. AXS Guard content scanning comes in 3 flavors. Essential uses the ClamOff as the virus engine. With Content Scanning Plus, we add Trend Micro as a virus engine. And now with Premium Content Scanning, we add a 3rd layer, our Cloud Threat Repository service. With Premium, you will still have ClamOff and Trend Micro virus engines running on your AXS Guard, but for each attachment or URL in a mail, or for visited URLs or downloads on the web, we will check our cloud service to see if it might contain malware or is related to a known phishing site. If the information is not known in our cloud database, we will look further on the web and consult more than 70 virus databases. With Premium Content Scanning, you also gain access to the Google Safe Browsing database, which is continuously updated with all the latest phishing URLs. Premium Content Scanning can be used on your AXS Guard on-premise. It can also be used on your virtual AXS Guard and also on an AXS Guard on Azure. If you use, for instance, Office 365 or other mail, and you can still relay your mails to your AXS Guard on-premise and have it scanned by our Premium Content Scanning services. You can also deploy an AXS Guard in Azure for this purpose. We created a special license for this called the Azure for Office 365. In that case, the actual AXS Guard license will be free of charge, and you only pay for the Premium Content Scanning. To conclude, Premium Content Scanning is a complete solution. It not only scans your mails, but also your complete web traffic. It is transparent. It's a transparent implementation that is easy to use. It uses advanced technologies, it's performant and affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send us an email. You can reach us at sales@axsguard.com or support@axsguard.com. Thank you for watching.